Halo, apakah suaranya terdengar?
Hidung.
Halo,
Waduh.
oh, kedengeran?
Cocok cekcoan. Ingat kan? Dia nggak edin berangkatnya.
Oke, good afternoon semuanya. Aku izin nggak open cam karena aku lagi di luar. Em, Sekarang udah 4:42, kita mulai aja course-nya. Hari ini, kayak yang aku bilang minggu kemarin, kita bakal fokus buat latihan soal. Kita bakal baca banyak teks, teks yang lebih sulit daripada yang kemarin. Pertanyaannya nggak jauh-jauh dari materi kita yang minggu kemarin, yaitu main idea dan supporting details. Jadi di sini aku udah nyiapin 20 soal with berapa passage ya? 5 passage. Jadi kita bakal ngerjain ini. Kayaknya kita bakal bisa ngerjainnya separuh doang deh. Minggu depan kita lanjutin lagi separuhnya karena I think nggak cukup dalam satu hari ya. So I have this latihan soal, kita bisa ngerjain. Do we have coret-coretan? Oke. Kalian bisa coba baca dulu passage satu, terus nanti bakal kita eh, bahas. Ini ada soalnya ada 5 per passage. Maybe you can screenshot the questions dulu. Jadi biar nggak bolak-balik. So we have 5 questions. Okay, you can try to baca passage-nya dulu. Kali ini bacaannya agak susah ya bahasanya. So, kita bahas em, intinya. Intinya apa guys? Teks ini. Jadi, Great Depression di sini itu konteksnya bukan depresi berat, bukan depresi, tapi adalah sebuah kasus, sebuah krisis. Jadi di Amerika waktu itu ada Great Depression, itu adalah krisis seperti krisis moneter gitu ya. Jadi eh penurunan harga, pokoknya penurunan ekonomi di masa itu namanya adalah Great Depression di tahun 1930. Dan di sini inti dari teks ini adalah woman, perempuan itu jadi lebih banyak yang bekerja, lebih banyak wanita yang memiliki pekerjaan. Jadi meningkatnya wanita yang memiliki pekerjaan gitu. Employed, memiliki pekerjaan. So, what does the passage mainly talk about? Keywordnya di sini adalah employed and women ya. Di sini hanya bukan hanya di sini lebih fokus menceritakan wanita bekerja ininya. Wanita yang memiliki pekerjaan. So what do you think number one is? A. The ease with which women in America found work during the Great Depression. Okay, so kita bahas yang A. So di sini bilang bahwa the ease, kemudahan perempuan di Amerika mendapatkan pekerjaan di masa Great Depression. So let's analyze the text. The ease, kemudahan wanita saat mendapatkan pekerjaan. Di sini lebih mention bahwa perempuan itu naik, statusnya naik dari yang bekerja itu cuma 10 juta, jadi 13 juta. It's not the ease of finding a job, tapi bagaimana kasus ini membuat wanita jadi memiliki pekerjaan. From this, woman during the Depression had a strong advocate in First Lady Leonor, who lobbied her husband for more women in office. It's not the ease, is it is the raising of percentage. So maybe it is correct. Kita save dulu ya, yang A. And then other answer, B. Women working during the Great Depression earn low wages. Di sini ada membahas itu tadi, mana ya? Lebih ini, national low wages for women. Jadi di sini woman mendapatkan gaji yang lebih rendah, but it is not the mainly talk about di teks ini. Ini cuma, what do you call it? The details. It's only the details. It's not what it mainly talks about. So it's not, ya. Women's job paid little, but were more secure. Ini juga ada di sini. Paid less, but were more stable. It is not the topic. Tapi ini mentioned in the text. Ini ada di teksnya, but it is not what the passage mainly talks about? D. The role of women during the Great Depression. Nah, ada yang jawab D nggak? So the correct answer is D. Why? The role of women. Di sini intinya apa? Women. Women yang sedang ada di Great Depression. Semua women di Great Depression di sini talk about how women in Great Depression dapat pekerjaan but paid less, and women during the Great Depression lobbied her husband and find more women to work, and then this marriage also great in increasing the women in social. Women had a strong advocate. So it is mainly talk about women in Great Depression. Ini lebih broad. Ini lebih tentang apa sih? Teks ini tuh tentang apa? Tentang wanita yang ada di masa Great Depression. Yang E, why E wrong? Women were more skilled. Is it mentioned? Ini nggak mentioned ya, bahwa perempuan more skilled than men. So it's wrong. So the answer is D. It is going to be a little bit boring ya guys, course-nya, karena kita baca banyak. So it's okay, melatih melatih membaca aja. So second number, the purpose of the text. The purpose. What is purpose? Tujuan. Oh, nggak bisa nulis di sini. Kegedean kuasnya. Hmm, tujuan. Tujuan dari teks ini adalah, what do you think the answer is, guys? Tujuan dari teks tersebut. It's easier ya, karena tadi kita udah bahas tentang what it mainly talk about. Jadi nomor 2 harusnya lebih mudah ditebak nggak sih? B, is it B? Inform the types and the number of female worker. The number of female worker is it really to inform the types and the number? I think it's only the data. Hanya sebuah data yang dimasukkan. It's not the purpose, bukan tujuan utama dari teks tersebut. Because ini terlalu, apa ya, memberikan angka, itu biasanya bukan sebuah tujuan dari sebuah teks ya. Itu adalah sebuah data yang disajikan. So it's not the purpose. Let's try other. C. C. Show the percentage. It's also salah. Show the percentage. It's not the purpose. Di sini purpose itu lebih broad. Lebih, what is broad in Indonesia? Lebih luas ya. bukan kayak hanya sekedar percentage. Ini tuh lebih ke supporting details ya, sebuah angka, sebuah tempat, sebuah waktu, showing the time, showing the place. It's not a purpose. D. Tells about the U.S. government policies related to employment needs for women during the Great Depression. It's not relevant, yeah. Tell about the U.S. government policies related to employment needs. Employment needs, kebutuhan untuk mendapatkan pekerjaan. Tidak relevan. Based on the text, tidak relevan. Inform policy. Polisi itu ini ya guys, kebijakan. Policies itu kebijakan. Inform policy during the Great Depression on the role of women in the public sphere. It's also not mentioned, so it's not relevant. So the answer is A. Various effects. Dampak-dampak Great Depression kepada perempuan, yaitu menaiknya menaiknya persentase perempuan yang bekerja, lalu ini had a strong advocate, dan the first woman to ever held a cabinet position is the effects of the Great Depression membuat wanita itu menjadi naik dan eh, menjadi wanita pertama yang memiliki cabinet position, and then it's increasing. Intinya it's rising. Rose itu verb 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 to ya, of rise. Oh, sorry. So, the effects, dampak dari Great Depression ini kepada wanita adalah apa? Kita di tujuan teks ini adalah memberitahu kita apa yang dilakukan Great Depression ini kepada wanita, yaitu menaikkan persentase pekerjaan kepada wanita, kayak gitu ya. So the answer is what? A. Okay, let's erase this and let's try to answer number 3. Wait, how do I clear? Eh, number 3 to 5. Is it hard, guys? Apakah bacaannya terlalu susah? Kalau bahasanya terlalu susah, maybe next week. Dan aku beri yang lebih bisa dipahami, maybe ya. Correct. Susah ya? Susah, oke. Do you want to try to read another passage? Bentar, let me check the other passage, bentar. Wait, how do I exit? Okay. Yeah, I think it's pretty hard ya guys ya. Karena kemarin kita sepertinya cukup gampang, but it's lebih susah. So it's about, wait, ini lebih pendek. Do you want to try this one? Second passage. Wait, aduh ada ininya lagi. How do I? Okay, so it's one, two, three, four. Four paragraph with also five question. Yeah, one, two, three. Oh, it's only three questions. Okay, maybe it is so much easier ya, because it's not bahasanya nggak sesusah the first passage. Maybe you can try to read and answer these questions. The first question is easy guys, yang nomor 6. Karena it's already implied on the text. The keyword is perception. Perception is prasangka. It's not prasangka, it's perception, it's pandangan. Bagaimana pandangan publik terhadap NASA. A. Okay. Number 6. You'll answer A. Paragraph 1. Kenapa paragraph 1? Because paragraph 1. Perception. In the paragraph 1, kita bisa baca, when we think of NASA, whatever you call this, we think of blah 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 blah. We expect the agency to be working like blah 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 blah. Kalimat ini sampai the moon ini adalah persepsi. Persepsi orang-orang berpikir NASA itu ngapain. Saat kita berpikir tentang NASA, kita memikirkan bahwa NASA itu melakukan deep space exploration. Itu kan hanya persepsi. Belum tentu itu yang sebenarnya dilakukan oleh NASA. Nih, however, researcher and astronaut have been on another kind of mission. So, they're not only do this deep space exploration and build city on the moon. Jadi, nomor 6 adalah A ya. So it's much more easier than the previous passage. So the perception itu keywordnya adalah think, thought, asumsi. Expect, kita berekspektasi. So itu hanyalah persepsi dari masyarakat. It's not what it really is gitu ya. So number 6 is A. Number 7, the relation between sentence 2 and 3 in paragraph 3. 1, 2, 3. Sentence 2 and 3. So answer is this ya. 1, 2, 3. The relation between sentences 2 and 3 in paragraph 3. Three. C. All right. The benefit of satellite information is presented. This is the benefits. It helps people, yeah. It helps Kenyan farmer, help Nepalese, and Botswana. So, okay, it is the benefit, correct. And in sentences is elaborated. The project are active in more than 30 countries around the world. Does the satellite provide a description of the satellites? It's not sentence 3. Is it C, guy? Do you think is it C? It's wrong. Exemplified is wrong. Jadi kalau kita sudah bingung, let's try to do elimination. Caesar provide examples. No. Caesar introduce satellites and Caesar explain the function. It's known. Provide a streamer cell introduce in sentence 0. Provide description. No. So the answer is C, correct. Okay. It's easier than the previous passage, yeah? Let's try to move to number 8. Oh, wait. Eh, it's hard to... Okay. Number 8. Which of the following sentence is not relevant to the topic? Paragraph 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, based on the text, there are no paragraph 5. So, there are no answer for this one because there are no paragraph 5. No paragraph 5. Oke, paragraf 5 yang mana, Kak? Betul, tidak ada paragraf 5. So, let's next. The Third passage. Oh, okay. I think it's another hard text, yeah? Okay, maybe let's find another passage that is easier. Maybe let's try this one. Passage 4. Whoa, that one's hard. Oh my god. Okay, let's try to read the fourth passage. Ini adalah per line ya. One is line 1, two is line 2, three is line 3. So there are 7 lines in the text. It is the Monopoly game. Oh, it's easy, guys. It's easy, guys. Number 13. Let's go. Andika, answer A. The history of the Monopoly game. A, C, and B. Okay, well, you answered all the questions. A, C, and B. Okay, let's discuss this first. Okay. According to the text, what is the best title for the passage? The best title for the passage adalah when you read all of this, kalian tahu topiknya apa, and that is what's the best title for the text, yeah. So it is talking about the Monopoly game. The Monopoly game, this is the first line, and ini di sini menceritakan bagaimana cara bermainnya, bagaimana cara menang, cara sukses di permainan Monopoly, and then ini adalah bagaimana si Monopoly ini tuh ada dalam berbagai bahasa. Ini adalah siapa yang menemukan gamenya? Yang menemukan gamenya adalah Charles Darrow. And then he lived in Germantown, Pennsylvania. And he said this game and this, where he walked. Okay. So, A, the history of Monopoly game. Okay. The inventor. So, it is only the inventor. Kalau mau jawabannya adalah the inventor, kita harus lebih broad. Kita harus membuat topiknya adalah si inventor of Monopoly game. The description of board games, no, it's only talks about Monopoly. The place of Monopoly games, not relevant. The invention, oh, they are mentioned, but I don't think that suits for the title. So the answer is A. The history, sejarah bahwa Monopoly game adalah ini dan ditemukan pada tahun ini oleh ini, bla 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 bla. 14. What does the pronoun he in this? Ini gampang karena di atasnya udah ada nama. Darrow, Darrow kan menemukan the game. Dan Darrow hidup di Germantown. So, he yang ada di sini, of course Darrow, karena ini adalah line setelahnya ini kan. Darrow, who lived in Germantown, Pennsylvania, was himself unemployed during those difficult financial times. He said the original game, not in his hometown of Germantown, as might be expected, but in Atlantic City, New Jersey. So, he is Darrow. Oh, kalau kalian sudah baca ininya, opsinya lebih gampang. Cause Monopoly itu harusnya it. Germantown is it's a place, so it's an it. Great Depression is also an it. Pennsylvania is a place. Darrow itu nama orang, so it is a he. Oke, nomor 14 C. 15. Michelle, you answered C. B. Okay. The similar meaning of word opponent. Similar meaning adalah sinonim. Opponent itu lawan musuh. Kalau kalian bermain catur, itu antara kalian dan opponent kalian. Orang yang kalian lawan di dalam permainan itu namanya opponent. Jadi, contradictor, what? Contradictor? It's not contradictor. Is there a contradictor in playing Monopoly game? I don't think so. Guest itu apa? Guest itu tamu. Renter itu rent. What is rent in Indonesia? Penyewa. Ya, penyewa. Owner, pemilik. Opponent itu adalah musuh. Musuh itu adalah enemy. So the answer is B. Enemy adalah musuh, opponent adalah musuh, lawan. So the answer is B. Okay, great. Michelle. Okay, let's answer number 16. Wait, let me delete this. Delete. Number 16. If we take a look at the passage above, which sentence must be corrected? Di sini maksudnya adalah yang agak kurang relevan gitu. Yang agak tiba-tiba secara struktur harusnya nggak di situ. Let's discuss it. 4 and 5. 4 and 5, karena kita udah tahu bahwa passage-nya adalah tentang history, di dalam menulis bacaan sejarah, kita harus menuliskan ini dong harusnya. Bagaimana sesuatu itu ditemukan dan siapa penemunya. Itu pasti ada. So it's already correct. Number 2, in this game, the key to success, ini tuh cocok ya, nyambung ya sama nomor 1. Karena nomor 1 itu bercerita tentang Monopoly game itu based on most recognized board game around the world. Ini menceritakan bahwa Monopoly itu terkenal di seluruh dunia. Nah, di game ini cara untuk sukses yaitu untuk membeli properti-properti dan membuat lawan kita membayar ke kita. Itu nanti kita bakal jadi kaya. Jadi, ini sama ini correlated. Nomor dua, nyambung. C. Tiba-tiba di sini ada although the game is now published with a foreign location, don't you think ini out of a sudden? Karena saat kita, karena di sini kita lagi ini nih membaca tentang monopoli. Monopoli adalah game yang begini-begini, cara mainnya tuh gini. Tapi tiba-tiba, although the game is now published in Kansas language and version with foreign location, it is a correct sentence. Um, Grammatically. Tapi secara struktur ini nggak nyambung sama teks sebelumnya, guys. Nah, kalau dari ini ke ini nyambung, ini ke ini nyambung, ini ke ini juga nyambung. Tapi nomor tiga ini, tiba-tiba aja dia tiba-tiba bercerita bahwa game ini ada di dalam berbagai bahasa. So, it's not correlated. So, must be corrected adalah C. Karena C is not supposed to be there. Number one, gak mungkin salah ya. Masa number one udah salah? Six and seven is correct. Yang salah adalah the third line. Okay. Um, let's move to the last passage. Yeah. I think it's also okay. I think it's pretty easy than the first passage. It's talking about Mahfud MD, the Minister of Coordinating Legal, Political, and Security Affairs. Minister is menteri. B. Okay. The author proposed in writing the sentence this ya. Tapi mana tadi? This. Ya kan? Issued. Oh. Hmm. Wait. Ini. Commoners member be tasked with assisting the president in determining of the direction of the national police as well as providing input regarding the appointment and dismissal of the police chief. Classify the task of components. Describe. Classify is mengklasifikasi. So it is men mengelaskan, membeda-bedakan. It's not classifying ya. Couples member will be tasked with assisting the president in determining the direction ini. And jadi di sini Kapolnas itu diberi tugas ini, assisting the president and then input, providing providing input regarding the appointment and dismissal of the police chief, not classifying. Exemplify the reason. No, exemplify itu adalah memberikan contoh, memberikan the reason behind ditukarnya appointment and complaint deputy chairperson. It's not on this ini ya. I think it's in this apa nomor B lebih cocok in the paragraph 3. Describe the task of Kompolnas. Okay, it is memberitahu kita bahwa Kompolnas itu ngapain aja. Confirm the Kompolnas member. No, no, not relevant. Compare is not relevant. Mana tadi? C. The answer is C. Describe task. Tasknya adalah ini. This two, one and two. One of Kompolnas tasks. Okay, who wants to answer number 18? B or D? Okay, let's read it. One of Kompolnas task. Kompolnas task ini tadi ya. Appointing. No. Yang appointing deputy chairperson is president, right? Yeah, it's been appointed. Oh, yeah. Oh, yang meng-appoint is this Kompolnas. No, Kompolnas itu malah yang ditugaskan, bukan yang menugaskan ya. Jadi apa? Lagi ada yang jawab B dan D. B. Assisting the president in determining the direction of national police. So, ini adalah assisting the president. Oke, udah ada jawabannya ya. Assisting the president in determining the direction of the national police. Ini malah udah bener-bener stated di sini. So the correct answer is B. Issuing law enforcement, no. Providing input the appointment of dismissal. Wait. Providing input on the appointment and dismissal of the police chief. Oh, it's also correct ya. One of component task. Oh, it also correct, guys. Karena tugasnya ada dua dan it mentioned. Oke, jadi jawabannya di sini ada dua. Oke, providing as well as providing input on the appointment and dismissal of the police chief. That is also component tasks. Oke, coordinating legal policies ini no. Ini malah nama menterinya, menteri dalam coordinating legal, political, and security affairs. So it's wrong. The answer is either B or D. It's not either. It's both B and D. Okay, let's move to the number berapa? 19 and 20. Okay. Karena kata ada one off, jadi kayak salah satu tugas. Terus sudah terpampang juga. Oke. Yes. So, yang salah adalah soalnya. Karena dia menyuruh kita salah satu dari tugas Kompolnas. Sedangkan di dalam opsinya, semua tugas Kompolnas sudah ditulis. Jadi dua-duanya betul. Betul-betul. Tapi dia juga benar, right? B and D is both correct. Kalau yang D, kan ada dua, Kak. Maksudnya, yang D kan ada dua. Providing input. No, it's the end. Ini udah ada di sini juga, guys. Mana tadi ya? Nih, regarding the appointment and dismissal. Itu udah jadi satu. Jadi tugasnya ada dua. Tugasnya ada assisting the president and providing input. So both D and B are correct. Yang salah adalah soalnya. It's okay. Nomor berapa tadi ya? Nomor berapa tadi ya guys ya? Nomor 19 and 20. Ya. Yeah, number 19 and 20. Okay. The last questions. What will the next paragraph most likely to discuss? According to a statement issued by President Secretary Posbro. Presidential decree. What do you think the answer is, guys? Joko Widodo coordinating the Kompolnas. I think yang ini udah enggak ya guys, karena the task kan udah tadi. The task udah ada di paragraf ini. So, ini sudah no. Sudah eliminasi. Compound the president decree. It is also udah stated. Joko Widodo coordinating. Um, Wait. Karena ini ada satu 2 3 paragraf ya. Dan most likely to be the next itu biasanya adalah conclusion. And then the expectation ya nggak sih? Do you think so? The answer is E, public expectation of Kompolnas. Kompolnas problems. Kompolnas problems for the 2023 terms. I don't think it's the answer. It's coordinating the Kompolnas. Jokowi kan sudah memilih Kompolnas. I don't think it will. What's next? Paragraph. Kompolnas problem for the 2020-2024 term. Public expectation of Kompolnas. Bisa aja public expectation. Atau apa? Cons. Oh my God. What is it called? Itu apa the conclusion. The conclusion of this news. The answer is obviously E ya guys ya. Public expectation of Kompolnas. It is most likely to be on the last paragraph tentang opini, tentang persuasi, tentang konklusi kayak gitu. It's most likely to be on the last paragraph. Where will this passage? What do you think? Most likely appear. Where will this passage most likely appear? What is metro, guys? Do you know what metro is? C. Politics. Where will this passage most likely to appear? Social. I don't think so. It's about politics, ya guys. About Jokowi and Mahfud MD and Kompolnas and such. So the answer is obviously politics. It's about politics. So it's most likely to appear in politics sections. People, metro. The answer is politics. Okay, that's most likely it. It is the Last passage. So, was it hard, guys? Apakah teksnya susah? Do you want me to change the level of the text? Karena it is most likely to be like appear di SNBT because SNBT itu bahasanya juga cukup sulit dan jujur waktu aku ngerjain waktu itu agak kaget karena ada oke, oh bisa, tapi ada beberapa kata yang I have no idea what that is. Yang awal tadi susah. Iya, yang awal tadi susah ya. Yang tentang karena kita belum unlock skin itu, guys. Belum unlock kosakatanya. So it is hard because we have no idea what they're talking about. Banyak bahasa yang belum diketahui, yes, correct. Okay, maybe for the next meet, aku bakal bikin dan nyari latihan soal yang lebih mudah, advanced but not too hard ya. Yang awal tadi susah, yes. Yang awal tadi talking about the Great Depression. It is a crisis. Kayak krisis moneter gitu di Indonesia, but it's di Amerika. It was hard, ya. Karena banyak ini. Kalau yang Indonesia, tadi kita lebih ngerti. Because we know what that is. Kita tahu Kompolnas itu apa. Kita tahu menteri-menterinya itu apa. Because we're familiar with it. Tapi kalau kayak gini, like, roles in FDR, blah, 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 under the WPA, convent, women, blah, blah, blah. Kita nggak terlalu familiar dengan kata-katanya. Jadi kita belum unlock itu. Jadi agak susah. Oke, ini masih cukup gampang tadi. Ini tadi kita skip because what what is this? It is pretty hard juga kayak yang di atas tadi. Like a lot of new term, this, blah 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 blah. And it's also time, guys. 5:40. I need to go to a meeting. So thank you guys for join the class and answer the questions. Walaupun questionsnya agak aneh-aneh, ada yang nggak ada paragrafnya dan ada yang nggak, ada yang jawabannya dua. I made this question like a few months ago, so I I kind of not remember what the text is, so I have to reread it. Kalau soalnya mudah ke sulit. Oh, okay. So it's increasing gitu ya. Oke, oke, oke. Dari mudah ke susah. Oke, oke. Ini tadi baru mulai udah susah ya. Oke, oke. Oke, thank you for the saran. I'll take it. Thank you so much. Okay, I think it's time, guys. If you want to ask something, you can save it for the next weeks because I have nothing to do after this. Susah banget Kak, aku mau nangis. Jujur, aku juga mau nangis. Kita nangis sama-sama. Nangis nggak apa-apa, yang penting ngerjainnya selesai, guys. Apapun dikerjain nggak apa-apa walaupun sambil nangis. Terima kasih juga kalian semua. Thank you so much. Jangan lupa presensi ya. Presensinya ada di grup ya kan harusnya. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice what ya? Have a nice evening after this. Thank you so much.